This is cool. So it looks like there is more than one of these things that comes in this part 2 of the video. You get a total of 3 in the box, which is nice, as well as dust absorber stickers, or whatever you call those things. I don't know. But that's cool. That's cool. So I will keep this in a safe place until it's time to change out the thingy poodles. And it also comes with wipes and dry wipes. So the wet wipes remove a bunch of the stuff, and then the dry wipes will dry it up, which is nice to have. Let's see if there's anything else in here, and it looks like that is about it. It just gives you some extra information that you guys can read in your own time. Anything else on the back? That's all, folks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.
Likey.